everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today's vlog is about 3 hidden nature trails under Bangalore boundaries where you can visit in one day. So we keep going to these places, and we thought that we will also share it with you. So the first would be Betta Mugilalam and Kodakkarai, which is near Hosur and Attibale Anekal Road. And the next one is Urigam Forest, Taketi Forest, which is Elephant Corridor and Elephant Crossing area. And the third one is the Jwalagiri, which is a beautiful nature trail where you can have a very nice uphill and downhill and a lot of guard roads with a lush green forest. So I'll also ask my husband to talk about it on Betta Mugilalam. So what do you Betta Mugilalam?
See, Betta Mugilalam is a bamboo forest. It's called the poor man's Ooty. So it's at a very nearby distance from Bangalore, and it gives you.
How many kilometers do you think it is around?
It's about 100.
100, no? Yeah.
Not even 100, maybe around 90.
Yeah. And Betta Mugilalam is a bamboo forest. And it comes under rainforest also. And there
it's
are
elephant
places
corridor.
Yes, it's an elephant corridor, and there is a Swami Lake where Sami Eri it's called. So that is where in summer if you go, elephants would come over there to drink water. And there is one particular area, the stretch would go down, and then there would be uphill where you can see the rain drizzle always happens there. And on the way to
Kodakkarai.
It's called Kodakkarai, and the Kodakkarai is you have to it's the end of the forest, no? It's the end of the forest. The road ends,
and it's a small hamlet. It has about 25 to 30 houses.
30 houses, and there is a farming area for them, and a beautiful temple, and there is a viewpoint. So all that is present in Kodakkarai. So that is number one. And the second one is Urigam Taketi forest. We have not yet gone to the complete Urigam forest, no?
Yeah. You have to go during the daytime because it's an elephant corridor and room for elephant movement.
Yeah.
On a daily basis. So you have to go during the daytime.
Yeah.
You can't go during twilight like 5 o'clock, etc. The forest guards will stop you anyway, and it's not safe also.
Safe also, yeah. So after you visit Urigam, that's the Taketi Reserve Forest, where again a lush green and a lot of guard roads there. Then you will reach Anchetti. So that is one, and it looks like a day before yesterday, 21st of June. I think 26th, no? 26th of June, 25th, 26th of June, 2026 is when day before yesterday. So I am right now talking on 28th June 2026 is when they have told that there is a news that they have spotted elephants also there at Taketi, Mutyalamadu, Anekal. So that's right. So Anchetti is known for its elephant corridor. So that is number 2. And the third one which we want to talk about is this Jwalagiri forest, where you have a lot of bisons, elephants, deers. If you're fortunate enough, since that forest, if you're fortunate, then you can see the elephants and everything on the road. And at nights, the publics have spotted elephants over there. So that is something about Jwalagiri. What do you want to talk about Jwalagiri?
The Jwalagiri is a very good forest range, and it's a very silent forest range because not many people know. Only the locals move around there. And what happened is, couple of times when I visited, the only sound I could hear is about the vehicles going once in a while. Other than that, the only sound I could hear is about the birds chirping.
Birds, yeah, chirping.
There is absolutely no sound.
Yeah.
It is like as though it is cut off from mainland. So having something in and around Bangalore in a range of 70 to 80 kilometers
Yeah.
with such tranquility and melancholy is something great.
Yeah, so cut the noise, escape the noise, and enjoy the peace. So get into these nature trails and enjoy nature. So that is what I want to talk about for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.